Hello! Today for our math lesson, well for this week, what we're going to be practicing is we're going to be making sets from 11 all the way up to 19 with double 10 frames. We know what a 10 frame is. I have one of my 10 frame paddles here. There's 10 squares. If all of them are filled, we know that's how many. You're right, 10. So let's say right now that I wanted that there were 13 children on a train. So let's put 13. So how many do I have right there? You're right, 10. How did you know that? You're right, because they're all filled. We didn't even need to count. We know when all the squares in a 10 frame are filled, it's 10, but we need 13. So I saw 13 kids on a train. So 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so now I have 13 counters up there. Okay, so I'm gonna write the number 13 on a piece of paper. There it is, 1, 3. Equals, how many in my top group? Yeah, 10. And remember, the quick trick is if they're all filled, we know that we don't need to count because we know that when a 10 frame is filled, it's 10. How many in the bottom? 3, yes. So we would write 13 equals 10 plus 3, just like that. So there's 13 of them, and that equals 10 plus 3. Now, let's say I put on some more. Okay. I have this many counters on my 10 frames. Can you all tell me how many are up there? I'm going to give you a couple minutes to think. You're right, 17. Now, how did you get 17? You're right. You said there is 10 up here, because remember, we don't need to count that. We can be quick mathematicians because we know that's full. So there's 10, and then we count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I'm going to write the number 17. And numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. So I'm going to write 17, 1, 7, equals, now I have to look at my two groups, my two 10 frames. How many in that top 10 frame? Up here. 10, yep. Plus how many in the bottom 10 frame? 7, yeah, okay. So it should be 17 equals 10 plus 7. All right, so let's do just one more. I'm going to take some off this time. Okay, this time I have this many. What, you already figured it out? You're right, 11. 11, how do I write the number 11? 1, 1, yep. So 11 equals, we look at the top 10 frame, 10 plus how many down there? 1. Okay, so there we go. So this week what you're going to be practicing is you're going to be practicing making teen numbers into two groups. And remember, teen numbers always have one group of 10. So the number, because we haven't done this one yet, let me get that on there. 14 has one group of 10 and 4 more. So 10 plus 4 is 14, one group of 10. What if I had 15? One group of 10 and 5. Let's do 18. Has how many groups of 10? 1. One group of 10 and 8 more. All right, well, I hope you have a fun week and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.